I'm gonna give you the most underrated fat loss advice you've ever heard. What's up everyone, it's Anthony from AB Fitness Center. Before I give you the most underrated fat loss advice today, I'm gonna let you know I'm gonna give everyone listening to this right now a free 15-minute phone coaching call. This call is designed to dive into your goals in detail so we can find out exactly what's going on and what it's gonna take to get you to the next level. Believe me, I know how frustrating fat loss can actually be, and having someone in your corner to help you diagnose those problems and move forward is gonna make a huge difference. So you're interested in booking that call, click the link below in the description to book your free 15-minute call. But let's get rolling. What is the most underrated fat loss advice? It is keep it simple. That's right. Making things complicated is gonna get you crazy, and then you're gonna end up not following anything. Believe me, I've been doing this a very, very long time. I've been in the industry for over 20 years, and it's very difficult to give people something difficult to follow because it's just unlikely for you to follow it. So basically, I have 4 simple steps to help you keep your fat loss very, very simple. So tip number 1 is going to be eating at similar times every day. And the reason why this is so simple is because it helps to regulate hunger. That's right. You know how you usually eat lunch at 12 o'clock every day? And that one day where you don't have lunch, your stomach starts going crazy? That is because hunger hormones and hunger pangs like that are systematic. Your body kind of knows the times that you eat. So by eating similar meals at similar times every day can really go a long way in preventing overeating and binging later. So I usually recommend anywhere between 2 and 4 big meals a day and 1 to 2 big snacks in between. But keeping it simple and trying to eat at the same times every day, according to your schedule, will help you to lose more fat. Simple fat loss advice number 2 is eating similar foods. That's right, eating similar foods. For whatever reason, sometimes when we decide to lose some body fat, we end up trying to go down this rabbit hole of eating foods that we normally don't eat. And we have this in our mind like, hey, I need to lose body fat, so what I need to do is I need to eat white fish and asparagus every meal in order to do that. And that's further from the truth. Our clients practice flexible dieting, which means that your body doesn't know the difference between the foods that you eat. It just sees the certain amount of servings of each thing. So you don't have to get complicated with your food choices. If you normally have a sandwich for lunch, instead of having bologna, have some turkey instead. That switch right there can save you a ton of calories, but also give you enough protein to build quality muscle and help you to lose more fat. So keep your meals simple. Don't overcomplicate it. You don't need to eat a charcuterie board every day for lunch in order to be successful. Okay? Tip number 3, sleeping and going to bed. Tip number 3. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. One of the biggest complaints I hear from most clients is, I'm so tired, my energy levels aren't there. And that's typically because your sleep schedule is not on point. You need to start going to bed at the same time every day and trying to wake up the same time every morning, and that will help you to move forward and sustain energy levels. Okay, so that was tip number 3. Tip number 4. I want you to start adding onto your plate small weekly tasks. And these tasks for you are going to be very simple. I want you to weight train 2 to 3 times a week for 30 minutes because that's going to really take your body to the next level. And I want you to go on daily walks. I would like for you to hit around 7,000 to 8,000 steps every day. Staying active is really going to make a huge difference in keeping that fat loss right where you need to be and will help you to keep progressing in the direction that you need to go in. So those were the 4 simple tasks that you need to do to keep fat loss simple for yourself. Remember, if you're interested in booking that free 15-minute coaching call, just click that link below in the description, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.